Hey guys, me back on H-Engine. Today I'll be shooting a video on how to make a Luffy action figure as per your request. So first things first, we're going to start with the torso, like always, using white A4 paper. So let me cut out a cylinder. And turn it into, yes, a cylinder, of course. A slightly curved cylinder, just like this. And then cut off the top part. So we've got this thing now. And next up is going to be, let's work on the hands. Let's do the hands. Or actually, let's do the legs first, because that looks like a quick little build. So for the legs, you're gonna need the thighs first, which is going to be this big approximately. He's got long legs. So there's the two thighs, and then let's wrap it around this thing. We get one. Okay, it's too big. Right, we got one. And we have the second one as well. Okay, so after that's done, we will use a tiny strip of glue and add some designs to the body itself. Like his pecs and his abs right down there. Alright, so that's his torso complete. Now let's add some design on this thing as well as the pants. And let's attach the pants to the body. Okay, this one is a bit too big, let me cut it off. This as well. And we'll add this right over here. Okay, so after that's done, we will use some yellow A4 paper. Actually, we'll use a long piece of yellow A4 paper. And wrap it right over here. Sort of like this. Okay, so that's done. Now we need to add the lower legs. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so for the lower legs we're gonna need some ordinary white A4 paper again. This time we're gonna need it to be a bit longer. Like that. So we've got two legs now, and we are going to roll these up individually into thin cylinders. Like such. Tape them. Like such. Make sure both of them are equal lengths, otherwise your figure's gonna look like it's got some sort of disease. Okay, so we've got two legs pretty equal in terms of length. They both stop right there, and just like that we've got two legs. This one's not going in. Let's do this then. Okay, so once you've got these two legs sized up like this, make sure it doesn't come out by taping it on from the back like that. Pretty clever move. Okay, so we've got our legs done, and in a similar fashion you're going to do the upper body, or the arms, so they aren't that hard. So in order to do the arms, you just follow the same similar steps just like we did for the legs, but instead of the pants we'll be making a jacket, red jacket. Alright, so I made this much, and just to show you guys how I did it, I've got one arm like this, and if you look at it closely, this is very similar to how I did the legs. It's actually the same process, but instead I added a little bit more tweak by like making this elbow right there like this, right? So there is like a joint right there, and we're going to attach it to our body like this. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's about it, how you do the body. Now all that's left is the head and the hat. So for those two steps, we'll be using our ordinary piece of A4 paper, and we'll be drawing something in there. Grab my pen. We'll be drawing his face, which sort of looks like let's take a different diagram. Let's use this guy. So we've got a nose, obviously, and then a big smile, his iconic smile. Give him some dark lines, so these, and then the eyes. Okay, actually let's do the eyebrows. And then the eyes. Of course there's a cut underneath, and then the eyes. This does not look like Luffy. It does look like a really scary anime character though. Okay, that's my interpretation. Can you focus? Alright, and then there's of course the hair, but I'm going to cheat a little and cover the hair with the hat, because making hair, especially anime hair, is one of the hardest things. Like making wrestler hair, stuff like that, is not a big problem, but whenever I have to deal with like anime hair, it turns out to be a mess. Let me just fill this up though. Right. Okay, so let's roll this up and then we'll see what happens. Okay, just like that, and we can attach it right there. One piece of tape at the front. Take it right there, and another piece of tape for the back. Okay, that does not look good. Something's off. Let's redo it. So let me finish this and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so I made the hat and attached it to the head, and it's looking like the Joker from the Last Laugh Batman movie, but yeah, the body does look like Luffy, so I'll take it, sure. So yeah, you can make some swords as well alongside this action figure, so it shouldn't be a problem. Here's our Luffy action figure already. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Like this video, comment me down below what I should do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.